sit and wait. Does an angel contemplate my fate? And do they know the places where we go when we're gray and old? 'Cause I have been told that's always young, let the rains and fall. So when I'm lying in my bed, thoughts running through my head, and I feel that love is dead, I'm loving angels instead. And through it all, she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, with them right around and down the waterfall. Wherever it may take me, I know that life would break me. When I come to come, she won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead. When I'm feeling weak and my pain walks down a one-way street, I look above and I know I'll always be blessed with love. And as the feeling grows, she breathes bliss to my bones. And when love is dear, I'm loving angels instead. And through it all, she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, with them right around and down the waterfall. When I come to come, she won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead. Through it all, she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, with them right around and down the waterfall. Wherever it may take me, I know that life would break me. When I come to come, she won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead.